Oh, this is a brand new Philips trimmer I got from Amazon for 1099 rupees. The exact cost was 1499, but I saved around 400 rupees. And this trimmer is waterproof. We can use this in shower as well as. And today I'm going to see you guys how to insert Philips battery. Only thing is we can able to see the notch here in the back end. See the notch and the mark in the notch. We have to turn this to match this notch arrow mark. Like this, just turn it. See, this should be matched and pull this. That's it. And this is the one battery, A4 battery we have to put. We have to put the battery like this. The plus button should come bottom. And turn back and see the arrow mark notch, and this notch should go same direction. See, same direction. Press and turn back. It fixed. See, you can use it. Just slide up, it will get on. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.